呢個係第一次，可能亦都係唯一嘅一次，教宗喺機場跑道舉行彌撒。呢一台獨特嘅彌撒喺巴門達機場，教宗離開呢座喀麥隆城市返回首都之前舉行。教宗乘坐座駕抵達，到咗一處寬闊空曠嘅大道，現場擠滿咗等候佢嘅信眾，佢哋以音樂同舞蹈舉行彌撒。呢個地區正深陷被稱為喀麥隆英語區危機嘅暴力衝突之中，促使教宗描述咗喀麥隆同非洲好多地區面臨嘅主要挑戰。
These include the numerous forms of poverty, which even recently have affected so many people amidst an ongoing food crisis. There is moral, social, and political corruption, seen above all in the management of wealth, which hinders the development of institutions and infrastructure.
但佢亦都向佢哋致以鼓勵同希望嘅言辭，敦促佢哋克服戰爭、逆境同困難，並從現在開始重新建設。
Yet this is the moment to change, to transform the story of this country. The time has come, today and not tomorrow. Now and not in the future.
呢個係教宗喺巴門達機場收到嘅熱情告別，喺充滿色彩、音樂同喜樂嘅氣氛中舉行彌撒。喺佢嘅第3次牧靈行程中，一齊紀念順德的奧蹟。